Claude AI is quietly making people a lot of money right now, and most of them are not doing anything complicated. But here's what nobody's telling you. Some of these AI side hustles are genuinely worth your time, and some of them are just a fancier way to trade hours for dollars with a bit of AI sprinkled on top. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through 10 ways you can use Claude to make real money, and I'm gonna be honest about which one I actually think is the best. My name's Fred, I run an AI-powered online course business, and my record is $5,000 cash collected in 48 hours. Not revenue, revenue is 7K, I'm talking cash in my bank account. Side hustle number one is building custom travel itineraries for people. Luxury travel agencies charge anywhere from a few thousand to tens of thousands of dollars to plan trips for people, and a lot of those people can't afford that. But they would absolutely pay $500 for the same quality service. You open Claude, you take everything the client tells you about their trip, their dates, their vibe, what they want to see, and Claude builds them a day-by-day itinerary with restaurant picks, neighborhood breakdowns, the whole thing. What used to cost $5,000, you can deliver for a fraction of that and pocket the difference. It's a real service with a market that's been there for decades, and AI just made it accessible to anyone with a laptop. Side hustle number two is writing dating profiles. I know that sounds a bit silly, but this has been a legit business since at least 2009. There are people who have built entire companies around this, charging $100 to $500 per profile. And here's the thing, Claude is genuinely excellent at writing compelling, personality-driven copy when you give it the right input. You send your client a quick questionnaire, their hobbies, what they're looking for, their sense of humor, etc. You drop that into Claude and you've got a killer Hinge or Bumble profile in 15 minutes. The market already exists and AI just cuts the work down to almost nothing. Side hustle number three is the one I care most about, and it's selling online courses. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Fred, I don't have anything to teach to anybody. And I want you to really hear this because it's the thing that changes everything. You don't have to be the expert anymore. That's what AI changed. Any topic that people are willing to pay to learn about, whether that's how to use Excel, how to pass a real estate exam, how to get better at public speaking, how to start a dropshipping store, all that information technically already exists online. It's in thousands of YouTube videos, blog posts, Reddit threads, books. Claude can pull that knowledge together, structure it into a real curriculum, write the lesson scripts, write the sales page, write the emails, and help you package it into something people can actually buy and learn from. Your job isn't to be the world's leading expert. Your job is to find the topic people are hungry for and use Claude to put it together in a clear and easy to follow way and sell it. People don't buy courses because they can't find the information. The information is free. They buy courses because they want someone to organize it for them and save them time. And that's something you can do with Claude starting today, even if you've never taught anyone anything in your life. And unlike every other side hustle on this list, a course is something you build once and sell forever. You do the work one time and it keeps paying you. That's the model I run, and that's why I keep coming back to it. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5,000 in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Side hustle number four is running a faceless YouTube channel. These are channels where you never show your face, never appear on camera, and some of them are making serious money every single month. And here's what's interesting. YouTube cracked down on low-effort AI content in early 2026 and wiped out a ton of channels overnight. Which sounds bad at first glance, but in reality, it's good news for you. Because that means that all the lazy, spammy competition is gone. What's left is a real opportunity for anyone willing to actually put thought into their content. You can use Claude to write the scripts, use an AI avatar tool like HeyGen to present the video. You can run your entire channel without ever being on camera. A few years ago, that wasn't possible. Side hustle number five is writing YouTube scripts for other creators. Every creator on YouTube hates writing scripts, even the big ones, and good script writers charge $500 to $2,000 per script. Top ones on retainer pull $5,000 to $15,000 a month per channel. Claude is genuinely the best AI for long-form script writing. You create a project, upload reference scripts from the creator you're working with, give Claude a style, and it writes in that creator's voice every time. That's the kind of thing that creators will pay for month after month. Side Hustle 6 is ghostwriting LinkedIn content for executives and founders. LinkedIn now has over 1 billion members, and founders have figured out that their personal accounts get way more engagement than their company pages, but they've got no time to write or think about how to do it. You interview them for about an hour a month, use Claude to draft their posts, do an editing pass yourself to make it sound human, and charge $2,000 to $5,000 a month per client. With only 3 clients, you're making more than most people make at a full-time job. Side hustle number 7 is sales funnel and video sales letter copywriting. Top copywriters charge $5,000 to $25,000 for a single sales page, and businesses are spending more on this than ever because paid ads are expensive and they need to convert the traffic they already have. Claude is extremely good at long-term persuasion writing. What used to take a copywriter 2 weeks now takes 2 days with AI, and you can charge $5,000 and deliver in 48 hours. The client thinks you're basically a genius. Side hustle number 8 is publishing children's books on Amazon KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. You use Claude to write short picture books, pair it with an image generation tool for the illustrations, format it in Canva, and upload it. Amazon prints and ships on demand, so you don't deal with any inventory or logistics. There are individual books on the platform, putting in thousands of dollars a month in pure profit. Amazon limited submissions to 3 books per day in 2025 to cut out the spammers, which is actually a good thing because it weeded out most of the lazy competition. Side hustle number 9 is writing newsletters for businesses. Every coach, agency, and SaaS company knows they need a weekly newsletter, and almost none of them actually have the discipline to write one every week. They last about 3 weeks before they quit and outsource it. You can charge $1,500 to $5,000 per month per client, use Claude to do the heavy lifting on research and drafting, you do the editing pass, and each newsletter takes you maybe 2 to 3 hours. 3 clients, 10 hours of work a week, and you've got a 6-figure recurring income. Side hustle number 10 is the boring one, but the numbers are genuinely ridiculous. Resume and LinkedIn profile optimization. The job market right now is rough, and millions of people have no idea how to write a resume that gets past the AI screening tool companies use to filter applicants. You can charge $200 to $500 per resume and $300 to $600 for a LinkedIn profile rewrite. Claude takes the client's old resume, the job they're applying for, and a brief about their experience, and spits out a tailored, optimized resume in about 20 minutes. Look, any of these 10 Claude side hustles can make you good money. But if I'm being honest with you, the one that gives you the most leverage, the most freedom, and the highest long-term upside is number 3, building and selling online courses with Claude. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a big audience to start. You just need to pick a topic people want to learn, let AI help you build it, and put it out into the world. Everything else is just a job with a fancier name. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.